Today I want to talk about one of my favorite strategies when it comes to swing trading. It's actually a very simple and effective way that removes complexities from trading. I'm talking about channels today. Channels are essentially a trading strategy where price moves in a confirmed trend direction with parallel support and resistance lines. The idea is simple: buy at the support line and sell at the resistance line. This works really well with just plain equities or option swings as well. So two types of channels: uptrend channels and downtrend channels. In an uptrend channel, you see price moving higher while bouncing off the lower support and rejecting off the higher resistance. In a downtrend channel, price is moving in a long-term lower direction, with price rejecting off the upper line and bouncing off the lower line while price continues to move lower. Stop losses are placed depending on the side you play right outside the channels. Once a channel breaks, you can see a continuation of trend, depending on which side of the channel it breaks. The upside would signify a breakout from trend towards the up, while a downside break would signify a breakdown from support levels. Now let's look at 2 to 3 examples of channels. First, with the example of an uptrend channel. I'm using TJ MAXX, ticker TJX. We see the channel forming at the beginning of August 2025, and we're going to extend it all the way. You don't want to trade the first instance. You want the channel to form and solidify. If you wanted a long position, your first trade would ideally be around here, at the beginning of November 2025, where price is at support levels. You see the support being defended over multiple days, and then it bounces exactly off it. And you would take profits towards the end of November here. Conversely, you could take puts or short it here at the upper trend line, which acts as resistance. We see the channel being respected all the way up until May 2026, where prices break below the channel, and you would have your stop losses placed just below the support line. Let's take a look at another example. Does this work on crypto? For my crypto bros, let's take a look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin traded in an uptrend channel for almost 4 years, which began in June 2022 and ran up until February 2026. You could have simply gone long or short on this time frame in BTC and ended up with extraordinary gains. Now let's take a look at one in a downtrend. Here, I'm picking up Roblox Corp, ticker RBLX, as an example. Roblox had multiple attempts to break through all-time highs since in September and October last year, but kept being rejected. It then started forming a down channel since the beginning of November. Now again, if you wanted to take a short position, you would wait for a retest of the channel, which happens here in December around the 9th. Wait for a rejection, and that's your confirmation. And we see the channel being respected all the way up until now, with multiple opportunities presented to either go long or short depending on your view. Well, I hope this helps you in your journey. I'm going to break down more concepts over the coming weeks and simplify it for you. Do hit the subscribe button and like the video if you found this useful.